Exercise 33. The graph of 5x minus 2y equals 30 in the xy plane intersects the x-axis at the point k, 0. What is the value of k? I could do this by hand by simply recognizing that the x-intercept can be found for y equals 0. So 5x minus 2 times 0 equals 30. This means that 5x minus 0 is 30. So 5x is 30, which means that x should be 60. Therefore, the value of k would have been 6. And I was able to do that because I realized that the k, 0, the point I was looking for, is actually the x-intercept. Another way would have been straight through Desmos. We had the 5x minus 2y equals 0, not equals 0, equals to 30. And we need the x-intercept, which is once again equal to 6. So the right answer for this question would be obviously 6.